So your patient has worn all of their aligners. You've taken a new scan and want to order the final retainers. How do we do that? If you're comfortable with segmenting the teeth, you can open the existing case in uDesign, switch it to edit mode, and click on the coarse refinement button to prepare the model yourself. Upload the new scans and then proceed through the segmentation steps until the new upper and lower arches appear on the screen. You'll notice the new model come in as a refinement. From there, you can proceed to ordering the retainers by clicking on the orange shopping cart icon on the right. If you want uAssist to help with creating and preparing the final retainer models for you, you are able to open the case in the cloud directly. Click on the blue link to open the patient's latest treatment plan, and then click on the Edit toggle to activate the uAssist button. Click on uAssist and click the uAssist Refinement option. On the following screen, upload your new scans by either clicking on the blue links to upload, or you can drag and drop the files into the appropriate fields. Once you see them appear in the gray window, click Next. If you have any updated photos or x-rays to provide, you can add them on the next screen, or click Next to skip past this step. At the top of the prescription form, click Yes on the question that asks, is this a new scan for a final retainer? You can add in any additional notes for the uAssist team in the section below, such as, please remove all existing attachments, or any other notes regarding the scan that you'd like to provide. Click Review, and then Submit to uAssist to finish sending your scan. Within 2 to 3 business days, your new retainer models will be sent back to you to review. You will see the uAssist status change to Review Plan. From there, open the case to view your model, and you'll be able to click on the Order button to finish placing your final retainer order.